Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna speak about why the stock prices go up and down in value. Before starting this video, please take the time to like my video and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me. So why do stocks go up or down in value? To understand this, first we have to understand that a stock is a little piece of ownership of a company. So when you own a stock, you own a piece of a company. And the way the price of stocks is determined is through supply and demand. There's a limited amount of stocks, and if there's a big demand for the shares, then the price is gonna go up. If the demand is low, it's gonna go down. So you have people that are selling and people who are wanting to buy. And just like with any other product, the price is gonna be determined by how much people are willing to pay and for how much people are willing to sell. This was a quick explanation of how the share prices are determined. Thank you very much. Remember to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.